Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting tutorial. This is Varomix with cmiVFX, and today we're gonna do something really cool. This is something I've been trying to do for a while. I really had the idea for a while, and I thought that I was just wasting time. Why not do it now? So welcome. This is very exciting. I like it a lot. Let's see what we're gonna do. And what we're gonna do is this amazing character picking interface that I did for Houdini. I'm using the Tune Simple Character from the Orbold asset store. I'll show you where I got it in a second. So when I just click this button, this cool interface comes up. You can see the name of the character is here. It's hooked up to that. So if I click these buttons, this does what you expect. Just picks the controls on the character here. It's pretty cool. It has a lot of functionality here. You can see all the IK controls are visible now. If I switch to FK for this arm or this other arm or the leg, you can see the buttons. Another set of buttons appear as in the viewport. Another set of controllers appear too. So I can click this to select the main control, any of the hips, center of gravity. Another cool thing is that you can actually press shift and multiple select characters as you expect it to work. You can see I'm selecting multiple controls there. If you press control and click, you deselect as exactly as you expect it to do. If you just multiple select some controls, of course you can just go and move them. Maybe I want to select the arm and move it. Yay, move it away. Just lost his arm. You can select all the arm controls and rotate them. It's pretty damn cool. I could just press here if I just want to go back to defaults. I have a button to select everything, all the controls. If you want to keyframe all the controls at once, you can do that. Or maybe to set up a future thing for maybe setting up poses for the character. If you have a controller selected, like this knee, you can open the channel editor here, and it's gonna have that control there. If you have animation curves, also notice that this stays on top of the window. That's another feature. You can go to the hands panel here, or the hands tab. We have 3 tabs here, one for body, hands, and the face. If you go to the hands, we have in this rig a few controls, but if you have more fingers than this character, you can just put them here separately. Select all 3 there and move them, or I can use the sliders here. I can use the sliders to control that. Also the thumb has a slider too, just for the rotation there. Of course the other hand works the same way. You can select stuff from the face too. Let's go to the face area. Sorry for that. So the face has these controls here. The look at for the eye. Move that around. Move the other one. You have the eyelids here too, and you have these sliders for the eyelids. If you want to just control them from here, it's very easy to do. And that eye, it's really looking somewhere different. I just really move that back here. So let's just zero everything again. So we're gonna be doing all this, everything here. We're gonna program this video. It's gonna be amazing. Also notice that if I move the sliders and the fingers to whatever it is, just gonna move them randomly, and I change this stuff to AK, maybe this one FK. If I close it and open it back again, it will remember all that states. So actually checks that state and then sets the parameters. You can see all that stuff is there. This is like it was. So if you move something here in the from the controls here by hand, or the controls on the let me close this one, and that one have move space. If you move these guys here, which are pretty weird here, these controls are a little bit weird, but you can see if I move this hand, something like that, something like that, just put this back to 0 and 0, and I open back my interface. I need that thing. You can see that those controls are exactly like it, like the parameters here can start moving, and it's no jumping around. It's the value it's taken from here and put it here. So we're gonna do all this. We're gonna learn how to set up this, how to make it really cool. This is just an external file. In Houdini, it's pretty simple to set up. You can see if we go to edit the tool. Here, the script, it's just loading a class and running it. It's loading a module and running it, so that keeps the files really updatable. And we're gonna learn how to set up all this for your studio, for your personal work and stuff like that. So everybody takes the best approach that they need for your situation. So all right, so I think this is pretty exciting. I've been waiting to do this for a while, and pretty exciting to show you guys how I did it. So let's start doing this.